Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Kami akan mengumumkan kami daripada Sekolah Menengah Perusahaan Cyberjaya akan membentangkan tentang cooking competition. Saya Ahmad. Ini Muhammad Naful Bazimi. Saya Abdul Syamil Ikmal.
This is the contents. 1. Abstract. 2. Objective. 3. Problem statement. 4. Scientific theory, the collection of heat. 5. Why we chose the color. 6. Worst case scenario. 7. Pictures of the making. 8. Try and succeed. 9. Conclusion. Intro and abstract. What is a solar cooker? A solar cooker is a device which uses the energy from the sun to heat up food and cook or pasteurize food or drinks. These are the types of solar cookers. As you can see, there is a solar oven, panel cooker, and parabolic solar cooker. Solar parabolic cooker is chosen because of the effectiveness to increase the rate of temperature as well as the rate of reaction. Our objective is to use alternative energy for cooking, make an efficient solar cooker, and to boil water. This is our problem statement. Does the parabolic cooker affect the rate of temperature increase? Does the shape of the parabolic cooker affect the rate of reaction? Scientific theory. How does solar cooking work? Solar cooking is done by UV rays from the sun. A solar cooker lets the UV rays that come in and turn them into infrared light rays that cannot escape. Infrared radiation has the right energy to make the water, fat, and protein in molecules in food vibrate vigorously and heat up. When the UV rays pass and reflect off the foil paper, it passes through another medium before getting into the water. This is called refraction. The heat gets retained in the same way. The greenhouse effect happens. The heat comes in and cannot get out. An efficient solar cooker will use the energy from the sun to cook a vessel efficiently and retain the heat for maximum cooking effectiveness. Why we chose the color? The reason we chose the color black is because black has the specific properties of color and light, which traps heat better than other colors. Our design specifications. Our adjustable lens, we can adjust the lens position based on the sun's direction. Whereas other projects are static, ours can adjust. The parabolic shape concentrates sunlight to a single point. This concentrated sunlight can heat up rapidly at a very high temperature. The efficiency of a solar energy goes up to more than 90%. It is useful for individual households and large-scale institutions cooking. Worst case scenario. If there is no sunlight or heat we can get from the sun, we can use styrofoam dust to absorb heat from its surroundings. We take the dust, put it around the parabolic solar cooker, and we blow the dust using our mouths, which circulates and takes in and absorbs heat from its surroundings.
It's all for making. Item used. Taking measurements. Cutting mat pot. Tapping up the parabolic. Spraying the spools. Sticking foil paper on the mat pot. Making adjustable lens. The time of making the greenhouse effect. Finished result.
This is our try and succeed. This day, we were doing it at my house. The early temperature was 28 Celsius and it ended up on 37 Celsius. This is when we did it at school. It was a really hot day. It started at 34 and the end temperature was 47. Today, it started on 30 and ended at 42. Conclusion. Our conclusion is that the solar cooking has many benefits in our normal lives. The benefits of solar cooking is that we can use alternative energy instead of using fossil fuels or electricity for heating up our foods. These are the sources we use. Thank you very much.
Soalan. Cuba tengok yang awak cerita foil untuk refract heat tadi.
Yes.
Cakap aluminium foil tu untuk refract heat. Tadi tu back.
This one.
Sekejap eh. Forward satu.
Forward.
Sekejap eh. Ni. Cuba awak explain yang ni.
What do you
Explain.
Explain. Okay, when the UV rays come through, you know how there's a surface of foil paper around the parabolic cooker? It bounces off, but then going to the water, it gets some obstacles, like another medium like air or carbon dioxide, which it gets through, and it makes like a curve, which it's an invincible curve, but we cannot see it without using the right materials. But then, as soon as it gets through, it takes some time, but it gets more concentrated and gets to the water. This is called refraction.
Okay, apa guna dia lens?
Oh, the lens. Our lens is to concentrate the light to make it more hotter and more useful to maximize heat.
What is the concept used in the lens?
We use the concept of, because the lens has the glass which can, you know how you can zoom in? It's basically the same concept with light, except it concentrates it more to create more heat.
Concentrate, focus kan?
Focus.
Panggil. What is the concept used?
The concept.
Scientific term. Refract or reflect?
Oh, that is
What you call that? The focusing of the light through the lens. What is the concept used?
not sure.
Ada kat situ.
Oh, refraction.
Yes, reflection of light. The lens, the concept used in the lens is the reflection, concept of reflection. Kalau for aluminium foil, reflection.
Yeah, reflection.
Pembalikan. Pembalikan lampu. Okay, awak tahu tapi tak tahu term dia. Reflection. Okay, ada soalan lain tak? Tak ada. Okay, very good. Awak boleh ganti Robert Lamb lah baca berita kat TV. Robert Lamb, apa tahu tak? Robert Lamb, you Google Robert Lamb. Robert Lamb. Robert Lamb.
What TV? Not TV.
I don't know.
Berita apa?
Dia tak tahu TV apa. Channel aku tak tahu lah. Dia dah dulu-dulu TV news kan. Lepas tu tak tahu dia pergi kat mana sekarang dia ada. Betul macam Robert Lamb kan? Dia boleh kerja kat broadcasting lah.
Bagus tak? Pronunciation dia bagus.
Ya, okay, good, very good. Okay, tanya
Thank
Okay,
you.
model awak tadi mana kerja? Model, kejap.
Model.
Cyberjaya model awak.